IoT for Water, Universal Data Acquisition System by Tech Support. First, see here some impressions of the device. IoT for Water general properties. It has an economic price. It is IP67 rated. It has small dimensions and therefore it can be installed in a valve box. It's battery operated by 2 AA-size lithium batteries and can reach up to 10,000 data transmissions with one set of batteries. The startup is super simple. Insert the battery, look for the LEDs. Now it's looking for the network. And as soon as you see twice the rapid blinking, it has sent the data. So you can close the lid and you're finished. IoT for Water advantages. It can be equipped with a wide variety of different sensors. So it's possible to set up new wireless data acquisition systems at very low cost. But you can also use your existing sensors and upgrade your existing sensors to wireless data transmission and thus bring your existing data collection to an up-to-date level. Therefore, you can base your irrigation and production practices on solidly founded information and use natural resources responsibly and carefully. IoT for Water connectivity options. We offer two options, NB-IoT and LoRaWAN. With the NB-IoT connectivity, we offer a turnkey solution. This is for users who need it simple and straightforward. All you have to do is to install the device in your fields and start it up as shown before. Data will be automatically presented on our web app IoT4water.de, and for NB-IoT we also have a developer solution where data are received on your own platform via UDP forward or HTTP callback. And then we have in LoRaWAN connectivity, we have a developer solution. This is for users with highest priority on data security and lowest cost, because the system with LoRaWAN can be designed that data never leave the own network. For both developer solutions, NB-IoT and LoRaWAN, we offer an integrator guide free of charge. IoT for Water sensor versions. We have several versions for different sensors. The first version with 6 ports for sensors with resistance signal. This is of course watermark sensors, but it's also temperature sensors based on NTC or PT1000 thermistors, which could be an air temperature, a soil temperature, a wet and dry bulb temperature, a surface temperature, or any other temperature you would need. Second version is the IoT for Water device with 3 ports for sensors with voltage signal. Basically, the device can read all voltage signal sensors which require excitation voltage of 3.3 or 5 volt. Which would be, for instance, electronic tensiometers like the Aerometer e-tensiometers or the TXE tensiometers by It could be a volumetric water content sensor or capacitance sensor like all the Meta Group Decagon sensors, EC5, Terrace 10, 10HS, but also the SM100 by Spectrum or the SMT50 by Trübner. We support several different temperature and relative humidity sensors for tunnel climate and greenhouse climate control, but also outdoors. We support radiation sensors, we support dendrometers and many more voltage signal sensors. Then we have one version with one port for SDI12 sensors, which can be equipped by individual SDI12 sensors or SDI12 sensor bus chains. And we have a solution, a version with one port for one wire bus sensor chains. This would be, for instance, the solution for asparagus growing with a multiple soil temperature probe. The IoT4Water web app. The app can be used by smartphone, by Android and iOS-based systems, can be used by computer, and it offers a pretty simple, straightforward form of operation. On the dashboard, data are displayed in graphical form and a spreadsheet. It's possible to set agronomic lines, to set alert functions. You can manage sub-users, you can manage sites, and of course you can also manage your IoT4Water devices. These are some impressions of the graphical data display on the dashboard. First, as a standard, the dashboard always shows all sensors which are attached to the device. In this case, it's air temperature, relative humidity, and volumetric water content. For a deeper data analysis, it's also possible to highlight individual sensors. Here we opted out the relative humidity and air temperature, therefore only the volumetric water content is left. And then it has auto ranging, the resolution is increased, and this is pretty handy for a quick, deeper data analysis. This picture shows the data display as spreadsheet, also on the dashboard. It's a standard spreadsheet with the hourly values of measurement. These data can be downloaded on your own computer by one click. This will open CSV spreadsheet on your own computer. See some possible configurations. First, here we have a device, IoT4Water device with temperature and relative humidity and one Terros 10 sensor, so that would be typical for tunnel growing or in the greenhouse. Here we have a device with a 4 temperature soil probe for asparagus growing. We have temperature measurement in 40 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 5 centimeter below surface and on the surface with the copper temperature bridges for exact measurement in target depth. Here we have a IoT4Water device with a EC5 sensor, a volumetric water content sensor, and an electronic tensiometer. And here we have a IoT4Water device with 6 watermarks. Of course, we provide additional information on the IoT4Water. You have here 3 different links on general information, on the version with NB-IoT connectivity, and on the version with LoRaWAN connectivity. All this information is available in German, English, French, Italian, Spanish, and Russian languages. For IoT4Water, please contact MMM Tech Support GmbH & Co. KG in Berlin, Germany. Visit our website mmm-tech.de or send us an email. Thank you very much.